Welcome to Nariseki, and today let's make stir-fried chickpea sprouts. Very easy to make and very healthy. I've taken 1 teaspoon of oil. You can take coconut oil, any oil of your choice. And when it's warm enough, add cumin seeds. And since chickpeas are a little bit difficult to digest, we are adding all the spices to make the digestion process easy. I have green peppers. These are very spicy. You can add more than that. And they're from my backyard. Very happy to say that. Even my curry leaves are from my backyard. Curry leaves, that also helps digestion. And we are going to add Asafoetida. You can also add a curry powder to this if you don't have all this spices. Sprouted chickpeas, and I have the video how to sprout chickpeas. Turmeric, always add turmeric when with the base, something in base like cilantro or chickpeas. Don't add directly to the pan because it will give a bitter smell because it will get burnt. And now I'm going to stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add some salt, and this is a new trick I have learned. I add a little bit of cilantro when it's cooking so that flavor is there, and some fresh cilantro when I'm done cooking. And really try this. It makes the recipes very tasty. Now I'm going to add water. I'm adding about 1 cup of water. If you want it more softer, you can add more water. I want it medium, so I'm adding about half cup of water. And cover and cook for about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, until all the water disappears, evaporates. Add some cilantro and fresh coconut and lemon juice. And what usually I do is I cook this chickpeas, and when it's time to eat, I warm it up, add cilantro, lemon juice, coconut, fresh coconut, and just keep it on a flame for about 1 or 2 minutes, because my mother used to say that cooking coconut a lot is not healthy, but if you add coconut and keep it for a longer time, it may get spoiled. So while serving, you can add coconut. You can eat this for breakfast, and if you are making it for lunch, you can add some tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, and eat it as a lunch also, protein filled lunch. So eat it as you like it, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for watching.